What's up, YouTube? So today I am applying this bob wig from Myfirstwig on my roommate Michaela's head. I think you guys have seen her before. If not, here's Michaela. First, to start off, this wig was one of the best wigs I ever received. The hair, of course, was beautiful, but my favorite part of this wig is the lace. The lace was like super transparent, so literally it can go on anybody's head and you can change the lace to blend with anyone's skin tone. The front, I guess you want to say, perimeter of the wig was kind of too big for Michaela's head, so I just went ahead and kind of measured it and cut it down so it could fit correctly. Then of course went in with my got to be glued. I recommend, if you're doing this on yourself, my best tip would be to secure the middle first and then the sides. But when I'm doing it on someone else, I kind of just do half and half, like half of the middle to the side and then the other half to the middle to the other side, if that makes sense. But yeah, if you're applying this on yourself, I would definitely say do the middle first and then secure the sides. That's the easiest way to make sure it's laid evenly. Once the wig is completely secured, I went ahead and started finding where we wanted to do her part. We ended up actually changing it at the end, but we started off with a middle part. And once you get the part and everything secured, I just go in with my hot comb. I'll link that in the description box. You guys always ask me where I get it from. You can get it from Amazon. That's where I got mine. So go ahead and check out the description box. And this just kind of makes it look more natural, so the hair is just not like, I don't know, falling all into your face. It kind of like pushes it back, almost like basically how you get your real hair when you get it straightened. Then after that, I go in with my styling foam and just apply that wherever I hot combed. The styling foam is my favorite because it literally enforces what you do with the hot comb, and it literally stays all day. So once I put that over everywhere I hot combed, I go in with some more styling foam and create and swoop the baby hairs out. Once I do that, you know, of course, I go in again with the got to be glued gel, the black one, and just reinforce what I did with the styling foam on the actual baby hairs. Make sure that they'll lay all day as well. After we lay the baby hairs, we just went ahead and tied a scarf. I do the same method when I do my own wigs as well. While the scarf is tied, you can go ahead and style the rest of the hair, straighten the hair out, go do something else that you need to do your makeup, doesn't really matter. Just leave it on for a couple minutes, just so it can kind of help everything just lay and slay and melt together. So here is where we decided that she should do a side part instead, since it was a bob in the front of the bob was actually layered a little longer than the rest of the hair. It just looked weird in the middle part. It looked like an auntie bob. So we went ahead and did the side part. And you guys know when I switch my parts in my wigs, I just go ahead and split that into a couple sections and flat comb each section down so it lays super flat, so it doesn't look like your wig is just standing straight up. Once we got all of this situated, this was pretty much the finished look. She loved it. This is actually her favorite wig to wear now. But yeah, I'll leave all their information in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Skirt,